In the mid-20th century, furniture was bulky, expensive, and hard to transport. For most people, buying a sofa or a table wasn't just a purchase, it was a project. IKEA, a small Swedish company, faced a question. How do we make stylish, high-quality furniture affordable for everyone? The answer came in a moment of inspiration. One of IKEA's designers removed the legs of a table so it could fit into a car. This sparked a revolutionary concept. What if all furniture could be packed flat and assembled by the customer? This simple idea solved multiple problems. Lower costs, flat packs reduced manufacturing and shipping expenses. Easier logistics, smaller packaging meant fewer storage challenges. Customer empowerment. Buyers took pride in assembling their own furniture. IKEA didn't just sell furniture, they sold a smart, cost-efficient, and hands-on experience. IKEA stores became destinations. Instead of traditional shops, they created giant showroom mazes guiding customers through fully decorated spaces to inspire real-life setups. Imagine stepping into a maze of perfectly arranged rooms, each one sparking inspiration. You sit on a sleek sofa, touch a sturdy dining table, and feel at home. And then there was the IKEA restaurant. Meatballs, cinnamon buns, and warm meals turned shopping into a family outing. IKEA wasn't just selling furniture, they were selling a lifestyle. The flat pack model transformed IKEA into the largest furniture retailer in the world. With over 400 stores in 52 countries, IKEA became synonymous with affordability, style, and innovation. But their impact went beyond numbers. IKEA reshaped an entire industry, inspiring brands to rethink design, logistics, and customer experience. They didn't follow trends, they created them. IKEA's story proves one thing: success isn't about doing what everyone else is doing, it's about finding a better way. They turned an industry-wide challenge into their greatest advantage. So, the next time you open that familiar flat pack box, remember, you're not just assembling furniture. You're unlocking an idea that reshaped the way the world lives.
IKEA's flat pack innovation made furniture affordable, but their real genius was hacking human psychology. And nothing proves this better than an ad you had to pee on. What if an ad could do more than sell? What if it could detect pregnancy? Here's the deal. IKEA Sweden ran this ad in Amelia magazine, read by 1 in 3 Swedish moms. The headline? Peeing on this ad may change your life. Pee on the strip, and if you're expecting, it reveals a 50% discount on a crib. No labs, no awkwardness. Just a private, affordable solution for new parents. The science? Antibodies in the ad react to pregnancy hormones, dissolving red ink to reveal the deal. No urine-stained ads needed. Just join IKEA family for the discount. Empathy, innovation, and a little humor. The ad went viral, but its real win? The payoff? 200 million impressions, global headlines, even a Cannes Lions Award. For a furniture brand in health tech, it proved furniture brands can lead in health innovation too. This wasn't just a stunt. It was IKEA's way of being there for life-changing moments. Because at IKEA, even ads can make room for life's biggest surprises.